Welcome back to the Griddle Guys. Today I am going over Nate's brother Bill's house and we are going to smoke a brisket. This week we are all going camping and we are all gonna have fun, and I cannot guarantee that we'll film a lot, but we'll try. We're gonna try. So it's gonna be a great time. We're gonna do a brisket right now so that way we can bring it up and have that on the menu. We'll show you what we do with it. Like, subscribe. Cheers, guys. This is Bill and Bill's castle. Look at the smoker. Man. Welcome to Griddle Nation, Bill.
Hey, what's going on? How you doing? Wow. Just getting ready to turn this thing on, get some heat going.
Where's the switch?
Put a water pan down here. Keep it nice and moist.
How much does this thing weigh?
1,600 pounds.
That's it, huh?
That's it.
Wow. What an awesome space, Bill. You get the pile ready to go for the next project?
Started cutting timbers for the rest of it.
Nice. All right, well, we're gonna get to it. That is awesome. That is so gorgeous. Congratulations, man. And this is Bill's farm.
This is smoker meat.
Nice. What's up? That's awesome.
So that's gonna be 1,000 pounds of meat come October.
Wow, that's insane.
But look at what they did. I mean, they ate every acorn, every root. They pull up all the roots and eat them. It's crazy. So now we're gonna move them that way.
Yeah.
And then, or we're gonna move them that way. We're gonna buy more fence material and move them.
So how long does that take to get going?
Oh, it'll heat right up once I get a good flame going.
Yeah.
So what I usually do is I run it pretty high, kind of burn everything off inside.
Yeah.
And then once I get a good bed of coals, then I'm just putting in like 1 or 2 pieces at a time. That's it.
And how long are you gonna do this for?
I'm imagining 13 pounds. This thing's gonna go till probably, could be anywhere from 3 in the morning till 6 in the morning.
That is a big piece.
It is.
That is a massive brisket.
13 pounds.
Nice. So we got a nice smoke coming out of your smoker.
Yeah, nice clean looking smoke there.
So how much trimming are you gonna do on this?
Not a lot, because they're in there for a long time. This guy, we're gonna try to take this down to about a 1/4 inch. It's really not that far off from 1/4 inch, so I'm not gonna take a lot off here. Bald spot here, but I'm not too worried about it. There's a real thick piece of fat here that we're gonna cut out. And the bottom, usually just take off any silver skin like that.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna tend to leave the fat. There's this hard piece here, I'm gonna take a little bit out.
Yeah.
This is pretty thick, but I may just trim that a little bit here and here. But that's actually, I might just leave it. I don't do, you can go crazy and you can take off tons and tons.
Yeah.
You know.
And just so everyone knows, we're not really sure what we're actually using this for yet. We're cooking it, we're bringing it camping, and that's up to Nate, right?
Yeah.
So what are we doing for seasoning? Just
Just salt, pepper, garlic. Keeping it simple.
nice Texas brisket rub. So what happened if you left that all on? Could you cut it off after, or would it not be as good?
I have done that in the past. I leave it all on.
Yeah.
And then you're just doing more trimming after the fact. I'm gonna try to get it off so it's down to that 1/4 inch, so you can actually just eat it.
That's what I was going to ask, if you just eat it, or I mean, it kind of breaks apart enough. It's not like, it doesn't look like it's
Oh, it's gonna basically turn to jelly.
all right.
So the goal is to have it all rendered down.
So it's not like that tendon type fat where
Yeah,
it's
no, you wanna. In fact, part of the cooking process is you're gonna poke it, and your finger will sink in just like it's Jello.
yeah. Sad is that you're cutting off like 25 dollars worth of.
At $10 a pound too, it adds up real fast.
Heavier than that, or?
Yeah, you want to cover it. It's a pretty big piece of meat.
All right, so we'll get that seasoned. Nice simple dry rub. We got this just under 300. Up or down?
Up. So right there, you want to take that and just pull the drawer out a little bit.
It's quite the setup, though.
So I'm going to put the point. Push that in. There we go.
That's it. We'll see you in 14 hours, 13 hours.
15 hours.
All right, Bill wanted to let us in on the secret. He didn't want to just leave it as is.
All right, so these are the trimmings. You're going to take these trimmings, we're going to chop them down a little smaller. We're going to put them in this tin and we're going to put them in the smoker. And they're going to get nice and smoky as they render down. And we're going to sift it through a sifter, and we're going to have a nice golden smoky liquid that we're going to use to pour back on the brisket when we wrap it. And that's going to give it that nice silky, buttery, fatty texture to the brisket.
Still just love staring at your structure. Every beam, hand cut. Wow.
And, wrap it when it's ready to wrap.
How many hours?
13 to 16, 12 to 16.
All right.
So it really depends on the brisket when it's done. So we'll start checking the temp. We're going.
We're about 2 hours in. Keep a nice steady temperature, roughly 210. Where's that
A
look like?
little low. I'm trying to get that up a little more.
Oh yeah. That's some real nice smoke. Fat trimmer.
You get a little bit of juice in there.
Nice.
Slow cook.
What a smoker.
Low and slow.
Well, when we see you guys next, we'll be camping.
Yeah.
All right.
Can't wait.
See you up there.
Feels real good, feels real good, feels real good. Show feels fucking me. Feels real good, feels real good, feels real good. Show feels fucking me. Show feels
Nice.
fucking me. Show feels fucking me. Feels real good, feels real good, feels real good.
We have people starting to meander in. Chris, burnt ends.
Getting
Brisket,
ready.
burnt ends.
We're gonna start with some, Billy, what is this?
What kind?
Wagyu.
What kind of? Yeah.
Wagyu tallow. Yes. Wow. It's sticky, Billy.
That's what she. There he is. He made. We're gonna put some clips of Nate in the old rope / zip line course / adventure. We have perfectly
plate.
chopped brisket.
Smells good though.
This is nice and simple. This is out of the fridge. Bill was nice enough to bring that up.
So we've already sampled a little bit. We are very impressed. It is delicious. So we're gonna just get this and a little secret sauce, I guess, not so secret. Wait, wait a little while, so we throw it right on.
Yeah, roll it a little bit in the tallow.
Tallow all the way
We tested it. Came up pretty good.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see if we can get a link for that tallow.
Wagyu tallow. So,
right,
Billy's not a griddle guy, but he does at least bring some Wagyu to the game.
Yeah,
I'm
and
asking you guys to serve me Wagyu for how many years?
burnt end on the griddle. Not too many people do that.
Wow. Oh my God, it smells good, dude. Yeah, good. Use it all up. Or waste it.
No.
I'm gonna do some for eggs tomorrow.
Well, I was thinking some of those tater tots.
Can do that too. Yeah.
So we're just gonna warm this up for the most part, melt the tallow, and then we're gonna coat, right?
To help if I had the right
Add a
tool.
little sauce, give it so it kind of caramelizes.
Yeah. So we're only about 2 minutes in, so this is quick. What kind of sauce, Chris?
James River barbecue sauce. It's the same sauce we used on the roast beef sandwiches last night that we made.
A favorite.
That we did bring our slicer. We should have filmed it, but we didn't. We did some really good roast beef.
Been
sandwiches.
busy, man. We've been busy. Nate and Chris put together this menu that's unbelievable. We've been eating like kings. Anthony, what do you think?
What's up?
Everybody's hovering. They're starting to hover. Oh wait.
Custom sign.
Custom sign.
Shout out to Sydney. Thank you for doing that, Sydney.
Yeah. Whipped it up in no time at all.
I would like a regular spatula, but it's in the house.
I bet that's gonna be done by the time.
Yeah, don't worry, Nate. It's almost done.
And I think we're gonna call that done once that's. Not yet. Not yet. Looks good though. Smells incredible. We're just gonna let it sear for a little bit. Yeah. So that's another thing. I mean, besides the fact that it took you 16 hours to cook, this is really quick.
That was really quick.
I'm just gonna flip it and then let it flatten it out, let it sit. And it should.
I think we're gonna call that. Yeah. That's right.
That's what I mean. The more I'm flipping, the more they're falling apart.
Yeah, I
wanna
think
try to
just
keep
leave it.
together.
Just leave it.
Jeff, I don't know. I'd say that's done.
But where the hell is Nate?
Where'd he go?
All right. Well, we're gonna wrap this one up. It was a.
Want to do a taste test though? We'll come back with one quick taste test. Show them how good it is.
We'll have some other people taste test it because we're biased. We've already tried it.
Good idea.
What was that, Chris? 5 minutes?
Let's see, 4 or 5 minutes.
All right, so we got this wrapping up. Looks delicious. We got a bunch of people waiting.
Oh yeah, that's a good piece right there.
They already had lunch, so this is just an appetizer after lunch.
Look how tender that is.
Those.
Phil, excellent job smoking this. I think you look at the proud face we got here.
I know.
Oh,
I know.
He's like,
I know.
yeah, I did that. That is phenomenal. We're gonna have to get to your house for excellent bar, full cooked.
Can you drop one of these off my house next week?
Drop one at my house every week.
Yeah.
That was the bite to have right there. Wow. We gotta let Karen have some list.
All right, good. Guys, sorry for the quick short video, but
Yep.
like, subscribe. Thank you, Bill. Emily in the background. Cheers, guys. See you in the next one. Son, don't. That's a snack. That's not.
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, you're emptying the plate.
well, I already
This
had
is your
one.
second serving.
Yeah, well, you had me try it, but now I'm eating.
What do you guys think? Your plate's empty.
Fine,
Nice.